afternoon, students, and welcome to today's session about business analytics, in which we will see our today's lecture, that is data mining. So, overview of data mining, applications of data mining, major issues in data mining, KDD process in data mining. We will see in today's session in detail. So, this is the outline of today's lecture. Why data mining is required? What is data mining? Knowledge discovery in database, it is the another name of data mining. What kinds of data can be mined? What kinds of pattern can be mined? Major issues in data mining. Applications of data mining. So why data mining is required? Lots of data is collected and warehouse. So data is collected in the form of tables and reports, and it is warehoused in the huge amount of storage, like web data, like www World Wide Web, e-commerce data, and other information repositories data. Second is purchase at departments or grocery stores. So purchases from grocery stores will be collected in the huge amount of data in the data warehouse. Bank or credit card transaction data. Companies have become cheaper, computers have become cheaper and more powerful. Motivation. Necessity is the mother of invention. So data exploration problem, automated data collection tools and mature database technology lead to the tremendous amount of data stored at database, data warehouses and other information repositories. So nowadays data is collected in huge amount, and that is why we require knowledge. So solution is for data mining is required. So solution is data mining. Here in figure, that's shown figure of data mining. Data mining is extraction of knowledge from large amount of data is called data mining. It is similar to gold mining. That is the diagram of data mining. Now we will see what is the definition of data mining. Data mining is extraction of knowledge from large amount of data is called data mining. It is similar to gold mining. Definition by Michael Temper is extraction of interesting, non-trivial, implicit, previously unknown and potential useful knowledge from huge amount of data. Alternative names of data mining is KDD process, knowledge discovery in database, knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, data archaeology, data degradation, information harvesting, business intelligence, etc. Now we will see what is the KDD process or knowledge discovery process steps in detail, or data mining process, which is important question asked in GTU exam. So database, first we have to collect data from multiple sources like World Wide Web, other information repositories, e-commerce data. After collection, we will do first data cleaning and preprocessing. In data cleaning and preprocessing, where we will remove noise, outliers, inconsistent data or missing value from the data. After the data preprocessing, we will do data selection, means features will be extracted from that data, and after selection data is integrated. So data will be integrated from multiple sources in a single database, that is called data warehouse. And after data integration, data transformation will be done. In data transformation, data will be transformed from one form to another form, that is one dimension to another dimension. After transformation, data mining techniques will be applied like association rule mining, classification, clustering, etc. After data mining techniques will be applied, pattern will be evaluated from that data, means graph will be generated or result will be implemented from that data mining techniques, and after that knowledge is discovered. So knowledge is the relationship of data and the information. Information is the process of data. So that is the steps of data mining or KDD process. So steps of the KDD process: First is data cleaning and data reprocessing, where we will remove noise, outlier, inconsistent or missing value from the data. After that, data selection. In data selection, features will be selected from data, and in data integration we will integrate multiple sources of data in a single source, that is called data warehouse. After integration, data transformation will be done. In data transformation, it will transform from one form to another form through data mining techniques. After that, data mining techniques will be applied: association rule mining, classification, clustering, prediction, recreation, etc. After that, pattern will be evaluated, means graph will be generated from that data, and after that, knowledge will be discovered from that data. So these are the steps of KDD process. Now we will see about what kind of data can be mined. First is database data. Database data example is relational database. Relational tables will be mined through various data mining techniques. Second is data warehouse. Data warehouse means it is a collection of multiple data sources or data tables in a single source in a unified defined schema. That is called data warehouse. Next is transactional data. Transactional data is a data where it is collection of item description, transaction ID and transaction name. That is transactional data which can be mined through various algorithms like association rule mining. Next is other kind of data: data streaming, ordered data, sequence data, graph or network data, spatial data, text mining. Text mining is a subdomain of data mining, multimedia data and World Wide Web. Next topic is about what kind of patterns can be mined: multi-dimensional concept description, characterization and discrimination. So characterization is most important for data mining. We have to first generalize the data. After generalization, summarization will be done, and contrast data characteristic, like example dry versus wet regions. Frequent patterns will be mined. Association rule mining, where it is showing the association rule mining confidence and support for the market basket analysis, correlation versus causality. So relationship will be shown with the data, that is called correlation. Example in association rule mining is, in market basket, if we purchase diaper, then we will purchase beer also. So confidence is 0.5% and support is 75%. Classification is supervised learning technique, and where we can use class label. Example is animal classification or classification chart based on gas mileage. That is the example of classification. Prediction means we have to predict the unknown numerical value for the data. That is called prediction. So here example is classification countries based on the climate, or classification cars based on the gas mileage. Predict some unknown or missing numerical values. Major issues in data mining methodology. So it is most important question which is asked in GTU. Mining different kinds of knowledge. We will mine different kinds of knowledge from the data. Example biodata, screen data or the web data. After mining, performance is the most important issue in data mining. Efficiency means how much time algorithm is taken to execute the algorithm. Scalability means whether the data set is large or small for the algorithm. That is called scalability. And effectiveness means how much algorithm is effective for the system. That is effectiveness. So performance is most important issue in data mining. Pattern evolution means we have to generate interesting patterns from the problems in the data mining. Incorporation of background knowledge. So knowledge is important in the data mining. That is another important issue in data mining, which you can do research in data mining. Handling noise and incomplete data means we will handle noise or remove inconsistent data, missing values from the data. It is another most important issue in data mining. Parallel and distributed and incremental mining methods means there we will do parallel mining. Parallel computing will be done. Distributed computing will be done in the mining methods. Second issue is user interaction. So data mining query language, it is similar to SQL, that is structured query language, and ad hoc mining. expressions and evolution of visualization of data mining results. So we will first express the data and then we will visualize data in the form of graphs like pie chart, histogram graph, pie charts, etc. Interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. So multiple levels of abstraction will be done for data mining. Application and social effect. There are various applications in data mining like finance, banking sector, security, etc. These are the applications for data mining. Domain specific data mining. Domain specific data mining like web mining, tag mining. It is the domain specific data mining and invisible data mining. Protection of data security. So we have to secure the data properly in the data mining, privacy security. So in this issue you can work in the research for data mining integrity. So data should be integrated and how much data should be private. So this is the most important issue in the data mining. So this question is also asked in GTU exam. Next topic is about the various applications of data mining. So there are multiple various applications in data mining. Some of the applications of data mining are, first is security. So we will find the terrorist using classification technique. We can find terrorist which terrorist attack has done through classification techniques like SVM, support vector machine, KNN, that is K-nearest neighbor decision tree algorithm. So these are the classification techniques. Second example is weather forecasting. So in weather forecasting or prediction we can do using data mining techniques. In finance target customers, we can find target customers using data mining techniques. E-commerce means market basket analysis. In market basket, if we purchase some item, then we have to purchase another item together. Like diaper, if we purchase diaper, then we have to purchase beer also. So confidence and support is most important in market basket analysis to find the target audience or target customers. Education. In education, student academic performance or student result can be prepared through using data mining technique like association rule mining, classification, clustering. Banking. In banking, analysis of customers for buying loan. If customer is buying loan for analysis, then it should be done through banking, through different algorithms of data mining. Research in data analysis. Data analysis is also done for research through data mining techniques. Fraud detection and prevention should be done in data mining using various data mining techniques. Marketing. So in marketing we will identify target audience, who are the target customers and audience in the data mining technique like association rule mining, classification or clustering. Molecular biology. So in biological data analysis, to find what type of molecule is used using the data mining techniques, and most important application is health, where we will find which type of disease has occurred in the person. Like we can predict heart disease prediction, chronic kidney disease prediction. So these are the examples of application in health for data mining. So this is the overview of today's lecture, that is data mining. Thank you, students.